Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. What is up? Yeah, that's so
What is up?
Hello everybody.
Hello.
We're gonna do a sharebox eating challenge mukbang.
Tings.
Mukbang tings. We got 10 minutes on the timer.
For me to beat her.
For me to beat him. To eat 2 small fries, 2 medium fries, a cheeseburger, quarter pounder, a McChicken, a Big Mac, 4 drinks. And there's apple pies as well.
Thanks.
But I feel like I'm not gonna get to those. It's a classic sharebox each. So whoever finishes is the man, actually, because if I think
We're not
you
going
can
to say
finish
it's
with
the
a
man. I don't want to put my manhood on the line, so we're going to say it's the best.
Is the man.
2, 1, go.
Oh no. What? Wow. Oh. I know you're gonna go that hard. This is not good. Wow, I think the cheeseburger is gonna be the hardest. No way! Oh. Oh. Usually it's so slow. Normally I always win when we're eating.
Usually I try and enjoy it, but no enjoyment in losing.
It's already been 2 minutes. Oh. I see what they do. I see. I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. Oh my god, what are you eating? Big Mac. Ew. I have so much sauce on it, guys. Gotcha. Oh. What's that good time?
I think most of it's garlic from my lungs.
It's stuck. If you watch that back, that bite, I just swallowed it. Ew. Oh. Wowee. Where am I top right? No, nothing. You got ages.
It was coming out my fucking nose.
Careful, cunt. Oh, I was gonna say you're gonna demonetize me for swearing and I said cunt. Oh, No. Yeah. Yeah. We're very thick as well. Extremely.
I'm out with a hustle and a roll, but I'm gonna spicy myself. Holy.
It hurts. That's disgusting. I never burp. Alright. When do I ever burp?
Never. Now.
Oh.
Wow.
You're still going in a Big Mac. So whoever eats the most, whoever gets to 2-minute mark.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I'm winning.
No. No, half
Look
the
how
packet is behind.
thin. No.
Half the packet is
Did you
behind.
eat those?
I'm all what's that bit? I'll pop them there.
Oh. No, I can't do McChicken right now.
We're gonna do a full pound.
McChickens taste like. I always like complain about how spicy McChickens are, and everyone's like, they're not spicy. They are. Oh my god.
Not fine.
Oh no. Should have worn different pants. Because they're holding my belly. Oh
Is it dry?
no. It smells like cow.
Really?
Want to smell?
That wasn't the bread, though. The fucking bread. That was the bread.
I just burped. No! You're putting me off. Ah. Right. Wait. What?
Well,
Oh no.
I don't have much places to put it away.
Yeah, me neither, but for the opposite reason. Mine's full. Holy. There's no way. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to finish this in 2 minutes. It looks so easy, but when everything's so dry, it isn't.
And we steamed all the buns to make it easier. Not easier.
Ah, my face hurts. I was watching those people do the pizza one night. Whatever. Mind you, there's only one
One pizza compared
Oh!
to this.
What?
One pizza compared to this.
I nearly vomited.
That would have been good.
No, just in my eyes start watering. I'm like, I have a good reason to almost vomit.
Yeah. It's 2 plus 2 equals 4 the boys.
Ah! No way! Oh, you're just gonna try and eat the chowder chips. Holy. It's so disgusting. Oh. No. It's just so Ah. that. This is yuck. Ew. Ew, yuck. Fuck, I'm gonna speak. Tastes disgusting. I love how I was about to tell you off for swearing and then how many swear words have I just said in the past, like.
Oh, Macca's. We won, boys. We did it.
Mine's empty. Whatever.
This is what it's voted on.
You
these
ate
chips.
a little bit more chips.
Manhood is intact.
You ate more chips than
Manhood is intact.
I drank more drink. I drank more drink than you. And you didn't even finish. No, I finished my small and I've had some of my. Oh, titty titty, my dear. Kakahati mahi. Hey, Miss McDonald's. I think that's a tie.
I think y'all should vote me. And we'll let you decide where I won.
I won.
I think she would have won. But she didn't.
I did. I had more drinks than you, and it counted drinks. That chick did drinks as well.
I win.
No, I win. I'm pretty sure I win.
Vote who gets to keep their manhood. Bye.
For the last portion of our mukbang, because we sucked at that, we're gonna just keep eating. Because people like watching people eat, apparently. And...
ASMR.
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 Who is most likely to cry in public? I'm not supposed to look at your answers. I have to look to see what you're gonna put. Who is most likely to forget birthdays? Most likely to get drunk? Most likely to be sleepy? Yeah. Most likely to be impatient? What? I literally cried. I'm like, hurry up! You're doing one thing too slow. Most likely to fall whilst walking. Most likely to laugh at the wrong moment. Fart in public. Most likely to be a flirt. You're a fucking liar. You're a liar. Most likely to spend all their money on something stupid. Wait.
It's me.
You only spend your money on stupid shit. Who's most likely to get a stalker? No?
She too pretty.
Who's most likely to cry in a sad movie? Most likely to talk to animals. I don't really like animals that much.
Doggies.
Yeah. Marry a celebrity. Because you're a celebrity. Who would be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse? Ouch. Who's most likely to be a drama queen? Who's most likely to listen to classical music? I'm just gonna vote you because it's not me. Most likely to always be happy. Did you vote me? No. Most likely to be a fan of Star Wars.
Luke, I am your father. Straight up.
Most likely to skydive. Wait, what? I thought I was on me already.
I like how it says Hazard.
What? Huzzah! It says that for us, but it'll flip around for them.
Oh, sweet.
Most likely to be hungry 24/7. Know all the words to a TV show theme song. Drop their phone after they bought it. Smash it 2 times and then ruin it and rip the front top off.
And you throw it down the driveway against the building on the work site on a Friday.
Who can hold their breath for the longest? Can we test that? Who's most likely to ask some stupid questions?
Ha!
Most likely to be the best at math.
Build a spec.
Who, and this is the last one, who's the most likely to worry about small things?
Ooh.
I think we both worry a lot about small things, but I think I'm more, actually no, because when you have an issue, I'm the one who's like, let's be level-headed about it.
It's fine.
Oh! Ciao.